the
And let me check.
Okay. So if I done the glasses earlier, I will text for you, and after that you can come back and take it.
Yeah, but no rush because we have to go eat and then we have to go.
Hey guys,
go
welcome
there, make a video there, so
to
no rush.
Hanoi, Vietnam. Oh, I can't get it. I can't. Oh yeah, I can. I can turn on my data.
Yeah, put on your data.
I forgot. I forgot I have data. We are in Hanoi, Vietnam. Yeah, I got it.
Okay. Nice.
We are
pay
in.
by card, true?
Yeah, pay by card.
Pay by debit.
Well, we don't have the machine to read the card. We have the.
How much is it in cash?
Yeah, we can go get cash. There's an ATM right down the road.
Okay, it's okay.
We are here in Hanoi, and Maria scratched her glasses like way back. So we're going to order her new pair of glasses now.
Douglas,
Huh?
here's the amount. Go get it.
Okay, I will
Okay.
text for you.
He's gonna text it for you.
Okay.
It's gonna be $83 in US.
Okay.
70. Yeah.
And 70.
870.
Yeah.
Okay.
$33.3. Yeah. I've just sent you.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Just take out the million that way, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you have minutes, and then
870,000. We're gonna get a new pair of glasses for Maria. Where are you, Maria? Because hers got scratched. I don't remember where it was. So here at the shop. How much? 870,000?
yeah, 870,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Vietnam dong, it's 870,000 for a pair of glasses. I'll put down here how much it is. And yeah, because her glass got scratched, and then we bought some cheap ones somewhere, but she can't see very good with them. So I walked by here yesterday and I saw the place, and I thought
It's gonna be like $33.
I know. Yeah, I had checked a million. A million is 38. Yeah, I knew it was less. Yeah, a million dong is $38 US. They told me $87 US. I said nah, never. I know how much it is. So they're getting the eyes tested right now. I figured might as well do it here because it's quite economic. So here we are in the eye clinic, guys. If you come here and you need your eyes tested or you need new glasses, come here. It's great. It's economical. And it'll take, they say, like an hour and a half, 2 hours max. We won't be back till later because we are off to the old quarters, and we're gonna make a different video on Train Street. So make sure you check them all out here in Vietnam. We got great videos for you guys. Oh, you like my new shades? I bought these shades almost 2 or 3 years ago. I've never used them until today. They're really, really dark. So if I go outside and it's not bright and sunny, I'm blind, then I gotta wear them like this. See, I'm wearing like this because I can't see because they're super dark. I could be welding with these things, but they look weird, which is what I like. My other favorite ones broke, so if I find another pair, I'm gonna be buying them. Not here, on the street where they cost like $1. That's what I buy, buck glasses, because when I broke them, it only cost me $1 to get a new one. Yes, I.
Yeah. Oh, really?
But
What?
I think
It's almost perfect. That's good.
Yeah, but I think your distance,
Yes.
visual acuity is even better than me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
My distance? Wow.
The eyeglasses store, they don't take credit or debit cards, only cash. So I'm off to ATM to get out some money. I'll probably take out of the ATM like 1 million. 1 million, man. Yeah, take out some big money. Okay, glasses are 870,000. It's only like $30-some US. It's not much. It's actually quite economical. I think there was an ATM somewhere around here. Oh yeah, right there, Agribank. I think there it is, Agribank, Auto Bank. All right, let me get some money. 1 million, guys. 1 million I'm gonna get. Gonna be rich, gonna be a millionaire again. Well, guys, I'm always scared, you know, sticking a card into a machine in a strange country because I've heard a lot of horror stories, but everything worked good. I'm once again a millionaire. Yep, I've got millions in my pocket, guys. It's so easy to be a millionaire in Vietnam. You want to be a millionaire? Come to Vietnam. Anybody can be a millionaire because this is a land of opportunities. Yeah, you can be a millionaire just like that. You might not have much money left to eat, but you can be a millionaire. Come to Vietnam. Awesome country. I love Vietnam. Yes, I do. I love Vietnam. I just thought about a great song. It's been written by somebody else, but you can change it to the Vietnam version. You want to be a millionaire? Come to Vietnam. It's really easy and possible here. Be a millionaire. Just come to Vietnam. Gonna have to copyright that song. Get some food in a little bit. We're gonna get some. I want to try the famous roast pork sandwiches like that. I want to try one of those. They look so good. Yeah, you want to be a millionaire? Come to Vietnam. It's so easy here in Vietnam. Guys, we're gonna have some food in here. I wanted a sandwich, but looks like we're not gonna get the sandwich. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see what it goes. Let's take a look at the menu, guys. And see what happens. So instead of the sandwich, we came here to a regular restaurant because he didn't want to sit on those low-ass chairs, right? So we came here instead. We have food here. See, these are the guys here. Say hi, guys. Yeah, we're gonna eat here. I don't know what we ordered. Something pork and something pork tofu, things like that. But it's packed in here, as you can see. It's busy. The food is good. The food looks great.
Lemongrass tea.
Lemongrass tea. That's like soup? Yeah, like stew, yeah. Alright, so, hey, I'll show you the food when it gets here. Alright, so here in Vietnam, you get beer with ice. They don't keep the beer cold, they keep it with ice. I don't know why.
I call it a sin.
You call it a sin?
Sin. You can't kill beer like this.
That's what we used to do in Belize. When you're drinking late at night and you want to drink some more and the beer's not cold, drink it with ice. That's not so good. So I got some of the blood sausage here. Dip it in this little sauce here.
This is my favorite.
That's good. I'm gonna try the
This
tofu.
is tofu. It's very hot. Be careful.
See that tofu? That's like some pork. That's pork. We got cucumbers.
Everything is pork.
Yeah, I got blood sausage. Tofu. Dip it in here.
Hot.
Really hot? Let's see what it's like. Wow. Not bad. Wash it down with some beer with ice. I don't like beer with ice. Coke with ice is okay. That's okay. Coke,
This one,
but not beer with
this
ice.
is good. I'm gonna eat this all by myself.
What? Don't eat all.
Delicious, this one. This one, yeah. So good.
See what like? Wow. Is that pork or what is there?
It's pork, but I don't know what part. It's delicious.
Really good. Delicious, right? Awesome stuff. Awesome. I gotta put the yeah, kind of like a chicharron pork pat. I don't know what it is, but really good. Guys, I'm gonna put away the camera because I need to eat. Otherwise, Maria's gonna eat everything, and I won't have nothing left. I'm hungry. Guys, they brought me a different sauce here. This one here, squeeze in lime and pepper, and it's like fermented fish sauce, almost like you're getting in Cambodia. They probably want to see my reaction. They probably think I'm gonna be like, ooh, this is horrible, but I love it. Look, that's all we got left. See, it's just like Cambodia. You throw your garbage underneath the table. They have a garbage bin. What you do with this here, you put in a piece of tofu, and then you get a piece of pork, piece of pork on top, and a leaf. Switch it in the sauce, and chow down.
You look like Santa Claus with those sunglasses.
Guys, this is delicious. This fermented sauce. I got used to eating that in Cambodia, and damn, is it good. So, I'm gonna turn the camera up, eat some more. It's almost gone. Almost gone, and then the adventure of eating Vietnamese food will be over. Guys, we had...
See that? We should take that.
Yeah, I'll pick one of those tour buses. We had an awesome meal. I mean, it was great.
They already did. I'm coming back.
Oh, finished.
Oh my God.
Wow, very,
so much. Thank you.
very fast. Very fast.
you.
Yeah. An
We
hour.
will highly recommend you, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Guys, you want to get glasses? If you want to get glasses, you're here in Hanoi. Look, we just went to eat. You come to this place here.
Yeah.
There's the phone number. Check it out. And that's the street, right? This is the street name?
Yeah, this is the street.
Okay. Yeah. You come here. He makes professional glasses very fast, economical prices. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Have a good trip.
Okay.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Say it in the video. 1 hour.
Yeah, it took like 1 hour. We got the glasses. We got the glasses here. We ordered them. Then we went to eat next door. Bye. We went to eat next door there. We came out. Glasses are done. I mean, crap. Can you beat that? For 30 some dollar. I think it was
$33.
$33
$33.
US. I mean, wow. That's including the eye exam.
Eye exam,
Yeah.
and then he measured the pressure in my eye.
Oh, he did all that?
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Work.
For 33 bucks US, guys. Can you beat that? I don't think you can. Wow. That is just amazing. Beautiful Vietnam, man. Beautiful. Economic. It's beautiful. The food is good. The food we had, oh, the food is so good. I still didn't get my, I gotta watch this water dripping there. I still didn't get my sandwich, but we're gonna go get the sandwich, you know. Later on, yeah. Yeah. Let's cross here. Wow, this is Hanoi, guys. Look at that.
Hurry, hurry, hurry.
Hanoi, Hanoi. Beautiful place. Beautiful country. Beautiful city. We love it here. I'm gonna be coming back here one of these days. Down this way. I'm gonna be coming back here one of these days. We're gonna spend a few months here in Hanoi. So far, I like Hanoi the best because it's the only place I've been in Vietnam. Maybe when we go to Da Nang, we might like Da Nang better. Maybe when we go Ho Chi Minh, we might like it better. I don't know. We're gonna find out. I think next time I come back, I'm gonna bring along my driver license, you know, and we're gonna rent a scooter. We're gonna tour the country. We're gonna tour the country up and down by scooter, but you need to have an international driver license to drive here. That's what I had read. They say you can't drive with your regular country one. So I can get an international one easy and quick. So anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Drop one of those likes and help us with our channel. Where Are You Maria channel? DougP Vlogs channel. We got 2 channels, and both of them it's free.
Please subscribe to my channel, guys.
Yeah.
I need some views.
See,
Where are you,
up here's another
Maria?
ATM. That's where I went yesterday.
Where Are You, Maria?
Yeah, Where Are You Maria? DougP Vlogs. Everything is free. When you leave a comment, it's free. When you subscribe, it's free. Everything is free. So please do that for us. And help us out so we can keep on traveling, keep on bringing you more great content. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.